Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Minksbyv. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple clean girl look. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And here we have the video chapters. Y'all ready? Let's go. When you're trying to achieve the clean girl look, it's always less is more. Off back, achieving this look, you don't want thick, dense hairs like this. Hairs like this are very, very dense, dark, and thick. The next tray I'm going to show you guys, you've seen these lashes before, but you're going to be able to get the look that you're looking for with this tray. This tray is from VI's Beauty. We're not even going to pay attention to what's going on down here. This is the row that you truly want. It's not dense at all. These hairs are more of a lighter volume, so we're going to work out of this row today. So you're going to need yourself some type of bond and seal for this, of course. And you're going to need a pair of tweezers. If you're looking to have these lashes on for more than one day, you want to apply this right here because it's going to get you at least minimum 3 to 5 days. First thing you want to do is comb through your natural hairs. All right, combing through your natural hairs because you want to make sure that they're pointing in the right direction. So when you apply your lashes, it's easy. You want to use the more top side here. You want to use this instead of flipping it this way. Do not have it flipped this way. You're gonna be miserable. Flip it this way. And then work your way underneath. So when you apply your glue, you want to go outside corner first, just so you don't poke yourself on the inside of your eye. And then rotating it up. You guys see I rotated it up. Only like that. And I'm pushing my lid up. I'm not combing up. I'm going underneath and going like that. Because also too, you're going to be working with a shorter length. You don't want, if you're one of those people that your glue seems so sticky, you're using too much. Let's go through a quick hand position real quick. My hands are not floating when I'm doing this. I literally have, if you need to rest your hands on your face, rest your hand on your face and then apply pressure to your face so that your hands don't shake. See, these are good hand motions so that your hands don't shake. All right, good hand motions. The way that you're holding it, you're controlling it with these two of your hands, and then you just rest your hand against your face and allow the other fingers that's not holding this, and you just move it around. See, like that. So now you have more control and you don't poke yourself in the eye, because I get this question all the time. How do you avoid poking yourself in the eye? Girl, it's all in your hand positioning. You see this? This is what's moving. These hands are still. So I'm doing mine in a cat eye design. So I'm using only 3 lengths. Always tell y'all to use 3 lengths. Just focus on 3 lengths. It's going to make your life so much easier. So this is what the hair looks like. Look how tiny this hair is and thin, because we're going for that clean girl look. And I always section my eye off in 3 parts. I always do this part first, the inside, then I do everything above here, and then I do this side. Going underneath like a hook with this 10. Just like that. Boom. I'm gonna do that center first. Okay, so that's that 12. It's also really good to make sure you have the entire piece of hair inside of your tweezers. Continue to do that same motion of going underneath like a hook. Yes. And these are so light and cute and dainty. Like, it's almost like I got mascara on. And I'm going to do 12s again here. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. This is so nice. And just going underneath like a hook. On this last corner. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. for the clean girl aesthetic to really come to light, I don't think a cat eye lash mat would be the best lash mapping. I think to do an open eye would be the best lash mapping. So I'm gonna quickly do an open eye on this eye. This is the seal side. We're gonna take this and go underneath. I just don't like to go through the tweezers, so I take it to a applicator like this, and then I just rub it along the bottom, and just like this. Remember how I showed you guys, you rotate them back and your teeth will be out and you squeeze. Yeah. Now, this is how it looks. Just like that. I'm going to do the other eye off camera real quick. Here are the lashes. This is how they look. I'm going to insert the clip so you can see how I did it as a doll eye. I think that the doll eyes are extremely flattering. It opens up the eye more. I think when we look, I think with more of that clean girl, it's not more about drama and wings and snatching the eyes and pulling them out. I think when you get into like the clean girl look, you want to just open your eyes more, allow your eyes to look a little bit more innocent, dainty. There's actually a name for it. I don't know exactly the name, but I think like there's an, I don't want to say like doyen, I don't know 100%. I'm gonna put it in the comments when I find like a name of what that particular like aesthetic or design is like for. I know that like it could be like similar to like anime lashes, all of that stuff. I want to show you guys how to do an anime lash look with clusters. I think they're so cute. I found some on Amazon too. But yeah, all right guys, so that is it for today's clean girl lash look. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.